Hello and welcome to my kitchen. As a reminder, my name is Annika Furr and I'm working my way through a cooking book called Salt, Fat, Acid, and Heat. Today in particular is going to be a little lesson on salt and how to balance different salty items and how to layer texture and flavor in Caesar salad. Sounds simple, but I'm also making homemade mayonnaise for the first time. So today we will also be talking about ASMR. Now, ASMR is a variation in type of digital content that focuses on texturized sound. ASMR is actually widely used by chefs and different content creators who cook. So I'm going to try my hand and give some tips and things that I am learning and how to incorporate ASMR into my cooking video today. ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, coined in 2010 after Jennifer Allen started posting a YouTube video of her whispering in 2009, and she then created a Facebook group and found other people who liked and felt that same sensory reaction, and the rest is history. I chose ASMR is because you can make videos that incorporate ASMR. You don't have that same language barrier. First things first, there's different types of oils that you use. For Caesar, it recommends grapeseed oil or highly refined canola oil, egg yolk. Okay, say hello and then say goodbye. Golden ratio, 3/4 cup of oil and an egg yolk. Get a whisk. Whisk slowly at first, and it says to add the oil 1 drop at a time. And you can pick up the speed and start drizzling it a little quicker so you just have your second half of your oil left. Okay, it's time for flavor. Okay, let's add a little bit of salt. A little sprinkle. I do not know what flavor mayonnaise should be, but I think it should be a little saltier. As if I know what I'm doing. We have the mayonnaise. I am actually deeply impressed with myself. I truly didn't think I'd be able to make mayonnaise by myself. It's thick, pale yellow, and that is super stinking cool. Anchovies and garlic. 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. That is entirely what I made earlier. 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. 3/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. About a cup of Parmesan cheese. Ooh. Once you've chopped up your greens, this should be the final result. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new.